Hello students, welcome back to my grammar class. In this class, you are going to solve book back exercise of adjectives, which is in the page number 23. First, we are going to recall the previous video, what you have learned about an adjectives. Okay, now tell me, what is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It tells us something about your noun. Adjective is a describing word. Either the describe or noun describe pannu. And then you have learned about the adjectives that comes before the noun are called as the attributes, and the adjectives that comes after the noun are called the predicative. And then you have learned about the types of adjective, rights. Under this adjective, you have learned about the participle as adjective. Under the participle as adjective, the present and past participle of the verbs are commonly used as an adjectives. And then you have learned about the present participle, right? Yes, the present participle of verbs is formed by adding ing. Okay, where you have to add ing? Yes, to the base verb. What is meant by base verb? Yes, present verb. So that the present verb plus ing changes into the present participle. Okay students, now have you all understood the present participle? Yes, the present participle of verbs is formed by adding ing. We have to add ing to the base form of the verb. So base form of the verb plus ing, it changes into the present participle. Okay students, now we are going to see few examples related to the present participle. Now look at the first question. I am working. I am working. நான் வேலை செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். So here I here is a subject. Am here is a helping verb and working is a main verb. So that here work is a base form of the verb. And then we have added ing to form the present participle. Now tell me, which is a present participle word here? Yes, working here is a present participle. Now look at the second question. He was singing. He was singing. அவன் பாட்டு பாடிட்டு இருக்கான். So here, he is a subject, was is an helping verb and singing is a present participle. Now tell me, why singing is a present participle? Yes, here sing is a base form of the verb and then we have added ing to form the present participle. So it converted into the singing. So that the singing is a present participle. Now look at the third question. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. Our book படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கா. Now tell me, which is a subject here? Yes, she is a subject. This is a helping verb. Reading is a main verb. A book is an object. So that, now tell me, which is a present participle here? Yes, reading here is a present participle. You know that read here is a base form of the verb and then we have added ing to form the present participle of the verb. Okay students, have you understood these examples? Remember one thing, the present participle of the verb is formed by adding ing. We have to add ing only to the base form of the verb. Okay students, you have learned about the present participle, right? Now we are going to learn about the past participle. The past participle of the verb is formed by adding d, t, n, ed, en. Okay, clear with that? The past participle of the verb is formed by adding t, d, n, ed, en. All these verbs are only added to the base form of the verb. Okay, remember that we have to add all these letters to the base form of the verb. Now here are the few examples so that you can clearly understand. Now look at the first example, swollen. Now tell me, which is the base form of the verb here? Yes, it is swell. S-W-E-L-L. And then what is the past form of the word? Yes, it is swelled. So that we have added en only to the present or past. Yes, we have added to the past so that it changes into swollen. S-W-O-L-L-E-N. And then look at the second example, burnt. So that what is the base form here? Yes, burn here is a base form of the word and we have added t to form the past participle. And then hoped, which is the base form? Yes, hope here is a base form and then we have added d to form the past participle. And then broken, which is the base form here? Broke? No, it is break. Okay, break here is a present tense and then broke here is a past tense of the word break. And then broken here is a past participle. We have added n to the past tense. Okay, past verb of the break. Clear with that? Okay students, now we are going to solve the book back exercise. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below with the suitable participle formed of the verbs given in brackets. இந்த bracketsல இருக்க verbs பொறுத்து நம்ம வந்து present participle யூஸ் பண்ணுமா இல்ல past participle யூஸ் பண்ணுமா நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, shall we start? Look at the first one. I have just received a very dash bit of news. In the bracket, puzzle is given. What is meant by puzzle? Yes, puzzle means புதிர். Most of the times in your day to day life நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்ல நம்ம லைஃபே ஒரு புதிரா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல same likewise. So now we are going to identify the sentence which is in the present tense or the past tense. Now tell me, the sentence is in the present tense or past tense? Yes, see here it is in the present tense. How can we identify? Yes, see here, have, which is the present verb, and then just na enadhu இப்போ அப்படின்றதுக்கு மீனிங்கா so it comes under in a present tense. So the present participle of the verb is formed by adding ing to the base verb. So puzzle changes into puzzling, puzzling. Okay, clear with that? Now look at the second question. Everyone felt very dash by the thing she did. In the bracket, Anna is given. Everyone felt very dash by the thing she said. Anna in the bracket is given. Anna என்னதுமா எரிச்சல் விட்டாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே. ஸோ எல்லாருமே அங்கே இருந்தவங்களாம் ரொம்ப வந்து டென்ஷன் ஆகிட்டாங்க. எதனாலனா அவள் பண்ண ஒரு விஷயத்தினால. ஸோ ஹியர் now tell me, the sentence is in the present tense or past tense? Yes, see here, felt is the past tense of the verb, so that we have to add td, n or ed or en. So we are going to add ed. So annoyed changes into annoyed, annoyed. Okay students, now look at the third question. He felt dash in the difficult situation. He felt dash in the difficult situation. In the bracket, trap is given. First tell me, what is mean by trap? Yes, trap na puri. ஓகேங்களா, ஒரு விஷயத்தில் நான் போயிட்டு ஒரு டிஃபிகல்ட்டான விஷயத்தில் நான் போய் மாட்டிக்கிட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்கள. ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ தமிழ் மீனிங் ஃபார் தட் சென்டென்ஸ். ஸோ தட் see here, felt is a past tense of the verb. So what you have to add here? Yes, ed. Okay, so the spelling changes into traped. Students, now tell me, is it a correct spelling? No. Okay, you have to check the second last consonant. Now tell me, which is the second last consonant here? Yes, it is a letter A. If it is a vowel, you have to double the last consonant. So which is the last consonant here? Yes, the letter P. So you have to double the letter P. So it changes into trapped. Trapped. It is a correct spelling. Okay students, have you understood? He felt trapped in the difficult situations. Now look at the fourth question. I am really worried about his dash aggression. In the bracket, increase is given. Now tell me, what is mean by aggression? Yes, or violent behavior அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, that is mean by aggression. So that the sentence is in a present tense. So what you have to do? Yes, you have to add ing to form the present participle. So increase changes into increasing. So what is the spelling for increasing? increasing. Students, have you understood the fourth question? Now look at the fifth question. She has joined a group of dash artists. In the bracket, performance given. Now this sentence belongs to the present tense or a past tense? Yes, it is a present tense. How it is a present tense? Yes, look at the verb, which is a helping verb here. Yes, has. We use has only for the singular, and then we use has only for the present tense. So the sentence is in a present form, so that we have to add ing to form the present participle. So perform changes into performing. What is the spelling for performing? performing. Okay students, she has joined a group of performing artists. Sixth question. The dash remains of the house held all the clues. The dash remains of the house held all the clues. In the bracket, burn is given. Okay, you know that burn forms the past participle as burnt. So it changes into burnt. Now look at the last question. We withdrew the offer because nobody was dash. We withdrew the offer because nobody was dash. In the bracket, interest is given. இதில் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த ஆஃபரை withdraw பண்ணிட்டோம். withdrawனா இட் கம்ஸ் in the present tense, but here withdrew, so that it's in a already it is in a past tense. So what you have to add here? Yes, interested. You have to add ed to form the past participle, so that it changes into interested. INTERESTED. Okay students, have you understood? Shall we recall from the beginning? See here, this exercise is all about the participle as adjectives, so that the present participle of the verb is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. Present participle நம்ம எப்படி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம்னா ing வந்து ஒரு base form of the verb கூட நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணி present participle ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம். And then the past participle of the verb is formed by adding d, t, n, ed, en. The past participle of the verb is formed by adding d, t, n, ed, en. Past participle of the verb வந்து நம்ம எப்படி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவோம்னா past form of the verb கூட d, t, n, ed, en join பண்ணி எழுதுனா it becomes as the past participle. Okay students, have you understood this topic? See you in the next video. Thank you.